Stake, an Aussie trading platform that allows you to trade over 3,500 US stocks and ETFs for $0 brokerage. But is it actually as cheap as it seems? Join me as we explore the new kid on the block in terms of $0 US trading. Although Stake advertises $0 commission, it's not actually free. Surprise. They do charge fees, which we'll explore later in the video. The best use case for Stake, in my opinion, is for new investors looking to get their feet wet with trading US stocks. Stake offers fractional investing, low minimums and competitive fees, making it a great choice for investors looking to make lots of smaller trades on individual companies. There are other ways to trade US stocks, but for beginners this is by far the easiest and most popular avenue for doing that from Australia. Stick around as we explore more in depth the features of Stake. If you want to sign up to Stake, use the bonus code below, because it'll give you a free stock currently valued up to 140 USD. To get a chance to win Nike, Dropbox or GoPro, all you have to do is use the bonus code below and fund your account. Then, you'll get to spin the wheel with the chance to win a stock valued at $140. Even if you miss out on Nike, you're guaranteed to get at least GoPro, which at the time of writing this is around 9 USD, more than covering the sign-up fees. If you haven't already signed up, why not? It's basically free, with the added chance of making 140 USD. Stake offers two features that make it, in my opinion, the best trading platform for beginners looking to trade in the US market. $0 brokerage. Charging no brokerage on trades lends itself to making more trades, because if you make one trade, you're paying $0, or if you make 10 trades, you're still paying $0. This compared to other brokerage models such as CommBank at a sliding scale starting at $19.50 and SelfWealth at a flat $9.50, which both encourage fewer purchases of larger size. Meaning if you invest $1,000 in 100 companies with Stake, you can do that, and it won't cost you an arm and a leg in commission. The next feature that makes me recommend Stake as the best way to enter the US market as a beginner is fractional investing. Fractional investing means that you don't need to buy full shares. You can instead buy fractional shares. For example, if you want to buy shares in Tesla, traditionally you'll have to save over $800 to make a share purchase.
The first of the month is coming. We have to get money. We have no choice.
With fractional shares, you can be an owner of Tesla with as little as $50 if you wish. These two features make it possible to trade small amounts on individual stocks in the US market, meaning it is, in my opinion, the best way to get into trading US stocks from Australia. There are fees other than brokerage you still need to keep in mind. These fees are shown on the deposit screen so you can see how much you're paying before you deposit money onto your Stake account. These fees include a foreign exchange fee of 0.7% on all AUD deposits, with a minimum fee of $2. You can pay fees for fast deposit time at 0.5% or a minimum of $2. There is also the option to use a bank transfer with no fee or a card with a fee of 2%. It is standard practice to complete a W8 BEN form to trade US stocks from outside the US. Stake fills out this and submits it on your behalf for a one-time fee of $5. There is a final fee of $2 for withdrawing into a bank account. The majority, if not all the fees, occur during deposit and withdrawal. The Stake platform gives you an overview of the fees you'll be charged before you confirm your deposit or withdrawal, meaning the fees are transparent to the customer and there aren't any hidden surprises, which I really like about Stake. These fees may be out of date by the time you watch this video, so I'll include a link to the fee structure in the description for those interested. Who is Stake good for? Stake is a great asset for people who can make the most out of fractional investing and $0 commissions. These are people like beginners making lots of small trades, or traders who are making small percentage profits off swing or day trading. That is because the smaller the trade size, the more a commission of say $10 that you will incur at, say, a CommBank will eat into the profit margin, making Stake's $0 commission very attractive for active investors, such as day or swing traders, or a beginner just trying to trade in the US stock market for the first time with a small account. Finally, remember to use the bonus code below, as the initial fees of the W8 Ben form and the withdrawal fees are all offset by the GoPro stock. And if you're lucky enough to get Nike or Dropbox, you'll actually profit from signing up using the link below. If you like finance content as much as I do, consider subscribing. It helps the channel out immensely and takes very little time. For the transcript and links to everything I've talked about, be sure to check out the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.